Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and sorry about the lighting. The sun hasn't even come up yet. Anyway, I just want to do a quick share before I go to the post office and a couple cards I made. I used the Stephanie Bernard die by Sizzix, and you've probably seen this one before. And this is the, what's the name of it? Card scalloped with banners and greeting drop-ins. So it's one of those drop-ins. It has 15 pieces. There's different words like cheers, make a wish, happy birthday, congratulations. I forgot all the rest of them, but anyway. So I got that from Perry Ann and Things, Arts and Things website on Etsy for a very good price. So anyway, I wanted to make a birthday card for my son. I was going to use a different die set, but I'm going to use the other die set that I was going to use, that I purchased his birthday for a different event. Anyway, as I made them, then I was going to make a shaker card, but I didn't have time. So besides, we wouldn't be into a shaker card. But anyway, I'm just going to show you a couple different ways that you can do it. It's real easy. It cut out like butter. This, I just stuck it with the cutout up there, and that says cheers and blank on the inside. So that's how that look. Very simple, plain, because he's a male. He needs a fancy. The black layer is popped up on Pop Dot, so you can see more dimension from the word cheers. And then this one, I just put the happy birthday layered on the inside. And that's how that one looks. Very simple, quick cards. And then this one, I just backed it with the red cardstock, and I popped this one up, and I popped these two layers up as well. And it's blank on the inside because you got both of your sentiments right there on the outside. You really don't need to have another sentiment on the inside. So, and my next version of this will be a shaker card. So just very quick and simple. I just want to show you that if you have that die, it's very easy to use. You just got to make sure you line everything up, and it cuts out like butter. All right, thanks for watching, liking, and subscribing. I can't talk this morning, sorry. And thumbs up. And you guys have a wonderful day, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.